We'll guide you through how to make black and white effect in Photopea. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because black and white photo effects create a dramatic, artistic, and professional look that is popular on social media, posters, and photography projects. Start by opening Photopea in your browser. Photopea is a website that can be accessed on both computers and smartphones, making it easy to edit photos from different devices. On your computer desktop, right-click the Google Chrome shortcut and click Open to launch the browser. Once opened, Google Chrome will display the main browser window. Look at the top of the screen, then click on the address bar and type Photopea. Press Enter on your keyboard to continue. On the search results screen, select the top option, 𝗟𝗹𝗞𝗘, and you will be redirected to the Photopea website homepage. Before starting the editing process, prepare the photo you want to edit so it is ready to upload. Then, select Open from Computer to access your photo files. Find the photo you have prepared, click on the photo, and open it inside Photopea. After the image loads, the Photopea editing page will appear on the screen. Look in the Layers panel and click on the new Adjustment Layer option. From the list, select the black and white effect to remove all colors from the image. After applying the effect, hide the Layer Properties panel to make the workspace cleaner. In this step, you have successfully created a black and white effect on your photo. For additional effects, add a new layer and press Shift+F5 on your keyboard. Change the fill option to gray and click OK. Next, go to Filter, then choose Filter Gallery. Scroll down and select Halftone Pattern from the Sketch menu. Increase the size value to 4 and click OK to apply the effect. Open the Blending Mode menu and select Hard Mix. Lower the layer fill to around 40 to 60% for a softer result. Go to Filter again, then Distort. Select the Rotate Angle value and decrease it to around 30 to 40 degrees. Finally, click OK to save your changes. Now you have learned how to create a black and white effect in Photopea. This technique can improve dramatic portraits, creative posters, and artistic social media images with a simple professional appearance.